Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Why container trailer maintenance matters, and how to do it right. Container trailers keep global supply chains moving, but neglecting their care can lead to costly breakdowns and delays. A single overlooked maintenance issue might mean missed deliveries, damaged cargo, or even safety risks on the road. This video covers the essentials: why regular checks matter, how to spot problems early, and simple steps to keep trailers running smoothly. Let's break down what works, and what doesn't, to avoid costly surprises. The role of container trailers in modern logistics. Picture the global supply chain as a massive relay race. Every handoff matters. Container trailers act as the unsung heroes in this race, moving goods from ports to warehouses, distribution centers, and stores. Without them, shelves would sit empty, factories would stall, and deliveries would grind to a halt. The workhorses of global trade. Container trailers are built to haul massive loads, everything from electronics to fresh produce, across highways, railroads, and shipping yards. Their standardized design makes them compatible with ships, trains, and trucks, creating a seamless transfer between transport modes. Here's why they're indispensable. Efficiency. A single trailer can carry dozens of pallets or specialized cargo, reducing the need for multiple trips. Durability. Steel frames and reinforced flooring handle heavy weights and harsh weather, protecting goods in transit. Versatility. From refrigerated units for perishables to open-top designs for oversized items, trailers adapt to almost any cargo. Safety and stability on the road. A well-maintained trailer isn't just about keeping freight intact, it's about preventing accidents. Worn brakes or damaged axles can cause blowouts or jackknifing, putting drivers and other road users at risk. Key components that keep trailers safe include suspension systems to absorb shocks and reduce wear on cargo. Secure twist locks that keep containers from shifting during transit. Lighting and reflectors for visibility in low light conditions. Keeping supply chains moving. When trailers are in top shape, delays drop and costs stay predictable. A single breakdown can ripple through the supply chain, causing late shipments, penalty fees, and frustrated customers. Think of it like tuning a guitar. Small adjustments prevent big problems. Regular checks on tires, brakes, and structural integrity keep trailers running smoothly, ensuring goods arrive on time and intact. Now, let's look at how neglecting maintenance can disrupt this finely tuned system, and what you can do to avoid those pitfalls. Key components of a container trailer that require maintenance. Neglecting maintenance for even one key component of a container trailer can turn a routine haul into a major headache, or worse, a safety hazard. Let's break down the parts that demand regular attention and why skipping checks can backfire fast. Tires and their impact on safety. Underinflated or worn-out tires don't just slow you down, they're accidents waiting to happen. A blowout at highway speeds can cause a driver to lose control, endangering the load and everyone on the road. Pressure matters. Low tire pressure increases rolling resistance, cutting fuel efficiency and overheating the rubber. Tread depth. Bald tires grip poorly, especially in wet conditions, raising the risk of skidding. Sidewall cracks. These weaken the tire's structure, making it prone to sudden failure. Rotate tires regularly and replace them before the wear bars become visible. Brake systems, ensuring reliable stopping power. Brakes take a beating, especially on downhill routes or with heavy loads. Worn pads or leaking air lines reduce stopping power, forcing the driver to rely on the truck's brakes alone. Signs of trouble include squealing or grinding noises, longer stopping distances, uneven pad wear. Inspect brakes every 15,000 miles or sooner if hauling oversized loads. Suspension and load distribution. A failing suspension doesn't just make the ride bumpy, it strains the trailer's frame and risks cargo damage. Springs are airbags that sag unevenly, shift weight to one side, stressing axles and tires. Watch for visible leaning when parked, uneven tire wear patterns, excessive bouncing after hitting bumps. Rebuilding worn shocks or replacing broken springs keeps loads stable and prevents long-term damage. Structural integrity, preventing catastrophic failures. Rust, cracks, or bent frames might seem like cosmetic issues, but they can escalate fast. Salt from winter roads accelerates corrosion, while overloading strains welds and joints. Critical areas to check. Corner castings. Cracks here can compromise twist lock security. Cross members. Bent or rusted supports weaken the trailer's spine. Flooring. Rotting or punctured floors risk collapses under heavy pallets. A simple flashlight inspection for rust spots or hairline cracks could prevent a roadside failure. The financial impact of poor maintenance. Ignoring maintenance doesn't just lead to inconvenient breakdowns, it hits your bottom line hard. Unplanned repairs, lost productivity, and legal risks add up faster than most realize. Let's unpack how skipping routine checks turns into expensive problems. Downtime and lost revenue. When a trailer breaks down mid-haul, the costs pile up fast. Every hour it's stuck on the shoulder is an hour of wasted driver pay, delayed shipments, and angry customers. Here's what happens. Delayed deliveries. Missed deadlines trigger penalty fees or contract breaches. Idle drivers. A stranded rig means paying for downtime instead of moving freight. Cargo spoilage. Perishable goods like food or medicine can't wait for repairs. Think of it like a flat tire on your daily commute, except instead of being late for work, you're delaying a $50,000 shipment. That's it for part 1. We've discussed the importance of regular trailer maintenance. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll dive into the key components that require attention and the steps you can take to keep your trailers in top shape. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.